Yeah, I think I know what's up with it.
Um, I told you before with the SMTs between the PD arrays.
Yeah, you
That
told me that,
was
right? A while ago.
yes, I took that a long time fucking ago.
Yeah, we were discussing it over the ICT Twitter space. I remember.
Holy fuck! I got fucking manipulated out. I don't want to be trading this chop though.
I wish Trade Away kept your prior executions. That would be cool.
Bro, I just got kicked out. I just got kicked out of my fucking trainer bay account. I had to log back
Really?
in, bro.
I got you. Dark. Let's see. Whoa! Victory. It's a shame that they profit. Yeah.
Man, no higher. No way we're gonna go for the inversion, bro.
This is very destructive of you, Dark. You can't be moving your stop loss like that. Set it to that inversion and hold it. Yes. Gotta keep your good habits. Some of you. Oh shoot. GNG, what's up, bro? How are you doing? SAT Twitter
Oh
space.
shit. Good shit, Doc. It's got too late of an entry.
Trump states it is a great time to buy. Okay.
China tell us that Trump should dump the market. That's what I'm really looking at.
I want to say lower, but yeah, I think Trump is right. It would be a good time to buy. Apple's kind of
Mantas,
pumping off of. What's up, Romeo?
what's up, bro? How are you
Let's
doing?
get on
I'm
it,
doing very good. What about you?
I'm doing pretty good too. My Mantas, you're not sharing your screen, by the way.
Really? All the
Yep.
sauce is gone.
All the sauce is gone.
No way, it's just gonna fly without me, but okay.
Look,
Yeah.
it's gonna take that. Look, it's gonna take that London high and absolutely dump.
Nice.
I just
Fucking
got
I
dump.
want to see
manipulated
lower
the
throughout
fuck
the day.
out, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's not good.
Look, it's gonna dump. Now it's gonna dump. Look, bang, told you.
I gotta fix my
1K on
shit.
the funders, bro. Looking good.
Minus 1K on the fundeds.
No. Plus 1K, bro.
Oh, plus 1K. Okay, good.
1K.
Nice. I like to hear.
Alright, I'll be off of call. If I hit some crazy trade, I'll hop back on.
Fight some crazy trades.
Okay.
Even if I lose. But I made fucking 6K yesterday. What the fuck?
Need 6K? Damn, nice.
Yeah, I made I made 2.8 on like across my BA accounts, and like on my combines, I passed 3 accounts in one day.
That's crazy.
Stay
Nice.
calm.
That's what
Everything
that's
is
what I'm
okay.
fucking on right now.
Trump states it's a great time to buy. Yeah, well, no shit, Trump.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
What's up, Swing?
Hello, sir.
Alright, good
How
luck,
is your
Mantis. Good
trading
luck,
swing?
Mantis.
Thank you. Jedna magazine.
Idiot. Yeah, let's guess who's in shorts right now.
Probably you.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
really?
guess why?
Postajid, I remember you. Why are you in shorts?
Guess why, man? We talked about this.
Oh yeah,
The
yeah.
gatekeeping
Your
thing.
gatekeep. Yeah, I see it. Well, that should be good because we have SMT. Yeah, turtle soup.
Mantas,
Of course I know. Relax.
nah, just.
SMT with London highs. How's the shorts working out for you though?
Shit. Probably just manipulating. That's actually the wick is really nice. Not gonna lie. The
I want
RSMT is
lower
working.
today. I'm fine with SMT at the highs. If it was gonna go lower, this would be the best time to do it. But I think with Trump saying it's a good time to buy, everything's gonna be pumping for a bit. I'm not gonna buy into the news of that though. I want to see if we can go lower. I want to see China just dog on Trump.
You know why? You know why we're going up because US 30 rechased into 930 gap and it's moving higher. And I'm gonna tell you something. I can't really say it here, but I'm gonna DM it to you.
Okay. mute up after. We gotta focus, like lock in for open, so I can properly analyze. I do not want continuation today. This is not good for me. If we do have continuation instead of just AMD, then that's just kind of it just destroys our plan. Oh yeah.
Check DMs.
I know, I saw. I'll be watching for that.
Actually, I'm place too high here. I need to do more investigation. That's why I'm on my data collection account.
Yeah, always
Make,
investigate.
only the best trades. This is not bad. Let me see if we're in something. Fine. Yeah, we are.
Romeo,
Hey, Romeo,
mute up.
what's up?
Mute up. We're gonna be focused.
Okay, I gotta mute up. Okay.
Yes. So I can probably think. Okay, we're inside premium of the range. The only thing I want to be looking for is shorts. This does still fit into the profile I planned. We're running out. What's it called? Running out these highs that were put inside of the premium of the range. I want to see us kind of continue pushing lower. I like running out these highs with SMT. London highs, we already followed through with ES right here. So if the SMT can fail, that would be pretty nice. Yeah, we're higher. This is hourly. 15-minute looks good. Coming back into the new week opening gap, I want to see rejection off of it. The body's respecting the high of it, rather than us just pushing lower. So we're going to be waiting for that.
We are taking out so much buy side right now, and I feel like it's very hard that we're not gonna push lower.
We have engineers
Yeah,
outside liquidity
stay,
below
guys.
us. I'm going to be waiting for that. I'm going to stay in the higher time frames until we get to actual macro. I'm going to have a retracement here, but nothing too crazy. Okay, retrace into premium of the range has been met. Still SMT the highs with YM. We're going to be holding up for that. I like to see short from 1 over fractal high. Okay. W3 TS. That's very nice. Good protected high. I want to see this high hold.
SMT, London High, ES.
We have it with YM rather. NQ, both have SMT. It's just YM lagging. I know.
Romeo, where do you see this?
It's with ES.
I don't see it.
Oh, maybe you have the. You do have it though. Yeah, you have it.
Yes, I already
Is Gustavo here?
Hmm?
Is Gustavo here?
I think I saw him in the chat. Let me check. Well, what's his name? Gestapo?
Gustavo.
Gustavo. Nope, I think he left. Actually, very good shorts here. What is that? Is that a proportion block? Something?
No, I'm trying to show him. What's it called? Breaker. He marked out the breaker wrong.
Oh.
Whoa.
Work.
Mantas,
Yeah.
What do you mean with SMT?
But what do you mean what? We have SMT right here.
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no.
exactly.
In the chat, in the DMs.
What? Oh. Oh, it was just I was thinking about it and I messed it up. I was thinking
Oh.
about SMT and I meant to type in the other one.
Yeah.
So I messed up. But
Bug share. Good morning, bug.
clear hard time from narrative. I wish we had some PD arrays. I like the run. I like the sweeps to these size. Kind of all the engineer liquidity has been ran out. I wish Trey was here. Is Trader here?
Well, Mantas, you
Oh.
could consider the 4-hour complete fill a PD array if you really wanted to.
Well, yeah, of course. That does count. I mean, that is kind of what we rejected off of, but that's a key level I'd rather see utilized within the macro. So we just gotta wait a little bit. We're gonna be waiting 15-minute PD arrays. I mean, in 10 minutes, I want to see 10 a.m. open. Actually, kind of either. I mean, we already manipulated above the high. Decent SMT, not really the best type, but it's gonna work. So we'll see how this plays out. Very eager.
Mantas, you also gotta take into account that we have FOMC today, so it's kind of normal that price action is kind of like, you know, mid.
Bull. It's baby FOMC. FOMC minutes doesn't do jack until the time.
Oh, does it say minutes? Did I not read it?
FOMC minutes.
No, it says minutes. Okay.
Yeah, FOMC meaning minutes. That's That's a very baby SMT or FOMC. So we just gotta wait. Everything's already taken into account. Romeo, don't worry. I know everything currently. So I mean, I could do like a very minor tape reading for the unique observations where I could just do like a dealing range. I want to see EQ of the dealing range reject, blah blah blah, that stuff. But I don't really think it's too necessary. We just have this kind of equilibrium FEG inverted. I want to see this one hold to push us lower if we are bearish. That's just really 1 minute tape reading. Overall, in the higher time frame though, we have this range that I'd rather see utilized within. So we're going to be keeping this one marked out with awareness of our 0.5 here. So keep that marked out. I like to see the run of the high instead of premium. I like to see us running into premium of the range. So it would be pretty nice if we could start seeking our lower draws right here. London low. Also London low needs to be marked out. This will be probably a short down too. I'm just gonna bomb it out on the funded. Just hold, chill, stop loss. And then we cup if it. That sounds familiar. Is that Brez's watch brand? I hope not.
I'm gonna like Brez is W. Brez is a W, dude.
Yeah, he's W. I like him, but I don't like the watch. I really don't like the watch brand that he's dropping. Cause I've been
Buy the
like.
Trading View fragrance.
Hmm.
Just buy the Trading View fragrance. It'll help you to get profitable.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is it, right? What do you guys think about these
Yeah.
watches?
Okay, I feel like they are very cool, but they're not my style. Like, I prefer more classical, minimalistic watches, you know?
The only reason why I don't like him is that it's like an alabaster. Here, I'll show you my camera real quick. Look at this. This is an alabaster. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I know what it looks like.
But
It's like the classic scammer watch.
oh, F you. I like it though. And look, this is alabaster. You'll see. So I don't like it mainly for this reason, because these are my favorite watches. They're very beautiful.
Okay.
Well, you can see
They
it.
look nice.
They do look very nice.
They look nice.
What was it called? I almost lost my mind. I had what was I almost bought one of them, one of the older drops, because I saw it was in stock, and I was tweaking out because I wanted it so badly. It was this one right here.
That looks very nice.
Very nice. I think it's Meteor Storm, Sinew.
Yeah.
But yeah, their watches are so beautiful. I like the branding too. But yeah, I think it's just Brez going. I think Brez is following them too. Yeah, followed by Brez Scales. But yeah, these watches are so nice.
Mantas,
Hmm.
there's about to be the most perfect turtle soup ever. Check the charts.
I'm watching. I have 3 monitors.
Check
I
YM
see. I
check
see
YM
it.
as
I
well.
see it.
You see it? It's gonna be so clean.
We're gonna reject off of it before even running into it.
We were-
Alright,
Fuck.
mute up. We gotta focus though. We gotta focus. Stay
Right.
focused. Okay. 950 macro. Running above this high. I want to see a high probability PD array, then I'd short that down to 1 and lows. Absolutely ball out with 1 M and Q. Let's see if we do form one, I'll take it. Especially with internal SMT at the highs. That would be so nice. I just wish we could have. I'll look for a key level in a second, but if I was gonna short off of it, I would want a major stop loss. I don't know if I'd have enough size to actually cover a safe entry for this. Risk to reward. Target London lows. 581 points. We make 1.1k.
Mantas, do you not remember the thing that I taught you about placement of the order?
Look at my
Yeah,
screen.
I remember. I'll try it out real quick. But I don't want it to put me in a. I don't want it to like put me in a thing right away. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, we'll see depending on the risk of what happens. Stay muted. I gotta focus. Otherwise, I'm gonna convert everyone to a stage. Are you really gonna take 5-minute wick theory? I need heavy confirmation of a reversal. I want to see CASD, SMT at the high, projection off of, and breakaway gap. I want to see all these features appear for a really good trade. But I might size in more and get a more conservative take profit with my entry. Because Lennon lows is a bit greedy. But then I could, since I'm unfunded, I could just ball out and max size it, and then we can be up how much for the day? 34k.
One cipher.
Might blow that account. Should I put everything on one trade? 1.5k
Yeah,
drawdown.
put
On a very high probability trade, I would. But I wouldn't say that this is extremely high probability.
We have a setup. Let's do it.
A setup. If we do have an A setup, I'll do it. Blow that count right now. Oh, Fearing wouldn't approve of that though. Yeah, I think he'd dog on me for that. I don't think I could. Yo, Sanjay.
Exactly, Mantas. Don't think of full
I'll go
boarding,
for the
think
day.
about long-term goals.
Yeah.
Boom! That's 34k right there. Just not you. I'm not insuring off the close below this, by the way. We do not have the proper criteria for an entry yet. So I'm gonna wait. If I can do $50 max loss, that would be really good, but I think I'm gonna have to kind of be more humble with the risk to reward. And my max loss for the day is 150, so this is gonna be break even. I have to trail my stop loss because of the trailing max drawdown though. So if I do get up too much, it would kind of ruin the account a little bit. So like a retracement would blow the account. So I can't really do these bigger entries. I have to take more conservative entries and build the account up that way. Regardless though, SMT, internal SMT high here would be really good for an entry. And then we can go based off of that. Like a turtle soup, basically. I wish I had more capital, so I could actually take like larger size. Or I wish I had like a top step account where I could have not live trailing drawdown. I like to see this inversion holding though. Where are those noises coming from? Yo, Sanjay, can you mute please? Thank you. Okay. Let's focus up. I'm watching, by the way. We have SMT with YM. I'll see if YM runs at London High as well for you, Romeo. Then you could go crazy off of that. Hopefully, the moment I enter, tariffs nuke the markets. China announces that they're ending security deal with US. And then we could ball out on 1.1k. Otherwise, I might just go conservative, get a really small tight entry, and then trade another macro. Yeah, we're kind of in for the entry. We have our SMT internally at the high. I'll take this. I'll take a loss on it, especially. Kind of fit our criteria as well. I wish we would have ran into the rejection block or had a little bit more follow through with the highs. But we'll see what happens if we inverse this gap. 930% gap is lower as well, so running through this low, let's break even, closing below here. I'll be willing to take a more conservative take profit, but I'm going to be heavily focused on, what was the word? I'm going to be heavily focused on trailing my stop loss, like really quickly, because I can't let I can't let it run in profit without taking profits. I have to take some profits, otherwise that account would actually screw me over. Then again, this could be a horrible idea because we're kind of going against whatever the economic news is with Trump. So
We officially have SMP,
yeah.
so that's good. Also, I'm in short on US 30,
Okay.
and I am up 360.
I can reasonably see higher. Okay, I'm gonna have to change my criteria since we're so close to 10 a.m. now. I want to see 10 a.m. open, manipulate through the high, and actually have distribution lower. If we do have that, I'll hold this 1 MEQ contract down to like all-time lows.
All-time low.
Yeah, trail. Take a $500 payout same day. I like take profit trader because the same day payouts are so overpowered. Once you're above the buffer, you take a payout. So as the session ends, I could literally, if I hit anything above 1.5k, I could withdraw it instantly. Same day, it's instant payouts. It's crazy.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang. That's nice. Like this until you get that.
We gotta get greedy.
No, Mantas, we do not want to get greedy.
Let
Come
me
on.
mess around.
Be for real.
Yeah, of course.
No, I know you're joking.
It's take profit trader. Use my affiliate link. I'm not trying to plug it because of the affiliate. But use the affiliate
Make him
link.
some money.
You
Also
gotta
buy
mute
like
up
30
again.
accounts and blow all.
I will forward it to the trading floor.
Just first thing. Just a second too. 10 a.m. What's 10 a.m. doing?
Alright, 10 a.m. open. Alright, boom, manipulate higher. If that happens, then we're kind of golden for this.
Okay, nice wick. Let me check on what.
Хорошо. Okay, SMT, internal SMT at the highs again. Alright, we're kind of confirmed for this. I kind of want to size in. I might go off of a NS re-entry if we do form it. That would be really nice. But we're going to have to see immediate respect off this PD rate. This is going to be a nightmare, but since it's such a good setup, I think I have to allow more size and then just risk down for my next trade. 75 points. This trade, 75 points the other trade. Because I really like this.
Okay. Took out London High on
Stay. I wanted to make another video, but I kind of got in the way. A lot of stuff kind of got in the way of that. I have it recorded, I just haven't edited it or uploaded it. Because the videos are boring. I don't like them, they're very boring. But I will start uploading consistently and make it entertaining. Boring or not, I will make it work. Anyways, inverse this gap, show that order flow is bearish by inversing it, and this trade would be good. Or even form a BPR/breakaway gap. That would be pretty good for us. Fits our cause.
Okay, we don't look like we don't have any SMP anymore, which is kind of sad. But
You gotta stay muted, bro. I'm sorry.
sorry. Wait, I wasn't. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just gotta focus. Yeah, what's up, joking? Very nice username. Oh, shoot. I'm not actually gonna take this. I'm probably just gonna target like London low. Almost 1k point take profit is crazy for me. Actually, I gotta see how far we can trade. Okay, we have room. We're gonna hit the bullish circuit breaker. What's your content? Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate that a lot. I think SMT and ICT are like the exact same thing, but I appreciate it a lot. I want to improve it somehow. I just don't know how. Because I feel like my day to day. It could happen anytime. Tariff news can just drop at any second and kind of like blow the market up. I want to see a Sibi form here and a breakaway gap. A breakaway gap here would be perfect. If it doesn't happen, $73 will blow my account instantly. So shorts. I don't understand shorts either, honestly. I just feel like it. Oh, Romeo explained it for you. This is gonna be kind of nightmarish. I'm not liking this anymore, but I'm willing to hold on to it. Hold on to the hope of a good setup. Inverse this gap, show we are bearish, close below, blah blah blah, then we go short. Win or lose, I can't be ashamed. So I just gotta consistently execute on my system, regardless of the outcome. Alright, hopefully we can create a breakaway gap here. If we can anticipate a breakaway gap. My stop loss is very protected. I like that. I'd like to see this actually act as a breakaway gap. So, close below, and then I'm short. Harsh reality of living in Hong Kong 2025. I should max size this. This would be a motorcycle for me.
Mantas, don't do
Bro,
it, Mantas. Don't
relax,
do it.
I'm
Don't
messing
do-
around.
Don't.
Let me, I just want
don't
to see.
do it.
Shh, let me just see. We're about to hit our entry.
Looking like Luca out here.
Oh my goodness. You really had to do him like that. Okay, I'm confident that this could be outside. If it isn't, then it's my mistake. But for everything I see, it fits my model. So, 2-1, I'm taking it. If we don't get our fill, then I think that's catastrophic. SMC is okay. SMC is very good. I trade SMC. This is just ICT as SMC. Not really internal SMT though. I think we might potentially get our entry. Refill consequent encroachment of this BC if we close below it. But we will see. Anyways, I'm gonna be right back. Kind of ensures I don't do anything stupid. So, give me 1 second.
I sharing? No, I'm not. Hold on, I'm sharing. Let me share my screen, блядь. There we go. Now we're gonna get to anyways. Words here on YM look very, very nice. Holding it until either New York lows or something.
Romeo,
Yeah, what's up?
perché stai... Perché
Shock
stai
su
parlando?
YM.
Bra, sì.
Sto testando una strategia nuova che ho scoperto che ha da fare con un po' di SMT, Turtle Soup, queste cose qua. Sto facendo data collection su questa nuova cosa che ho scoperto.
Bravo, bravo.
E poi vabbè, qua sai, si trade il classico modello, il classico, profittevole modello. Stop loss chiaramente qua, big profit.
I feel like even if I do take a loss, I'm going to be able to manage it really well. Every single trade I take kind of betters my emotions in a sense. So I feel like I just emotionally improve. I just don't stop improving. Every single trade I take, I get better. And I think I'm happy enough for that. So this trade can run away without me. I wouldn't care. Kind of edged me though, which is a shame. I wish I could have top ticked that, but I won't chase it. There is my fill. Now let's see how this inversion holds up in comparison to the breakaway gap. Gotta drop this in the stats. I got stopped for like negative 54.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
got stopped.
goodness!
Yeah, the
Yeah, no,
IFPG
this
on
price
the
action is
Oh.
that
price
was
action.
it.
It's not
Terrible.
excuses, I'm looking for a re-entry.
At the stop.
Really.
Well, yeah, I guess you could short the.
What did I say
displacement.
yesterday about the trades? If the narrative is strong enough and everything still aligns, I'm gonna re-enter. Because it's a good setup.
yeah.
If we react off this inversion, we are nestled inside of the high probability inversion. This whole order block leg would be my re-entry. Just depending on how we react here. So I just gotta wait to see what happens. I don't really care though.
Look at how I edged my stop loss.
Anyways, let's see how we react off these civvies.
I'm gonna mute up before you get mad.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yo,
Baltic. HP IFVG.
it played?
Not yet. I'm thinking about re-entry, honestly.
Oh no,
What do you mean, oh no?
effing gambler. Higher? You want higher?
Lower.
Or you want lower?
This. Everything here kind of aligns for.
I see.
Yeah.
Let me look.
We have a second re-entry in case, what was it called? In case this doesn't really work out the way I wanted it to. Retrace, run out discount low. Didn't inverse this civvy. We're holding the civvy. We completely filled the breakaway gap, which is a shame, but good judgment call. Ooh, this looks good.
Be careful. Max was already over.
I know. I'm really risking small.
F1's 2 minutes.
I know. Volatility, I mean, I can't go above my max risk though, that's the issue. I can't size any lower, otherwise I would, and have more room to breathe within my stop.
What's your max risk?
150.
So little?
Yeah, 25k.
Oh yeah.
It'd be something like this if I had to take a re-entry. But, we'll see.
The thing is, if you take one micro,
I know, 1 micro isn't even good enough to cover it. I mean, I could just use my max risk allocation and then just hit this, but I am not sure. I'm gonna hesitate on this one. I'm gonna miss the fill either way. Should I or should I not? We'll see. I want to so badly. This still fits our criteria. And it's not like it's a forced entry either. I guess I can just watch it. Because I know some people would complain about it. Okay, but typically since everything's laid out.
Mantas,
What?
look at the trading floor chat. Look at the picture that I
Which one?
sent. Look at the edge.
Also, Floob, did you get in short on that? Oh yeah, I see that. Am I gonna take it or am I gonna watch it? Let's see here. I could hit max day loss. I mean, I would be in right now, and at this, what was it called? I have a good amount of conviction that it'll still play out. Honestly, it was gonna be short one here, add on another contract here, but
if this hits stop loss and you take it, would you be proud journaling it?
well, yeah, because this is the re-entry I was supposed to take. I haven't taught this PD array to Black Sheep yet though. But this is one of the Gen 5 PD arrays from a long time ago, one of the ancients. So
What gen are we even in now?
well, I kind of threw away the whole Gen idea and combined it into one easy to understand model. But this was the specific to Gen 5 entry for taking like multiple entries. It's a pyramiding type entry, and we actually got everything we want to see here for the pyramid style. So this would have been the second re-entry right here. But too much people are gonna complain about me over trading, so I'm just gonna watch it. I do whatever it needs to do.
Don't let other people's opinions impact your life. Do whatever you want. Don't give a fuck about anyone else except yourself.
Oh yeah, let's see about that. Let's see about that then.
What?
10k. Risk the whole account on this one trade. I want to do this so badly. But yeah. I was gonna record the execution and break it down. I'm probably still gonna do that. We're gonna wait a bit.
Is there any significant S&P?
Not entirely. We can wait for 1050 though. I can wait for more structure before him continue giving out trades off of my conviction. I like this though. Throw this out of the window.
Man, so what did you buy yesterday?
No, I'm on. Sorry. Wait, what's up? What did I buy?
What stocks?
I bought some Apple. Just 300 in Apple. 300 in Apple. Let me toss this in algorithmic observations as well. This
I need to depot today. On
1400.
I'm doing depot
I think
today.
the re-entry would have killed me, so I think it was a good call that I sat out of it. Then again, I still have conviction in the holding. Hopefully we're not just accumulating, because it is 10 a.m. open. But, let's see. Where do we open for 10 a.m.? Here.
I
Okay,
just got
I'll
break
focus on
even on my trade.
that. Really?
No, not the turtle soup.
We're
The
not high
your trade,
accumulation.
the
We should be
mall.
going lower. I'm still confident lower off the 10 a.m. manipulation of the high. Everything about this trade looked really good. I like it. I will drop the breakdown soon. Probably before I leave, because I have to leave at 12:30, or no, I have to leave at 12 New York. Oh, yeah, SARMs. I'm on SARMs, yeah.
I'm on
Did
higher
you just
today.
say you were on SARMs?
Do you not know that?
No.
Top
What?
class.
Damn. What arms are you on? MK? Rad 140?
All. MK667, Rad 140, everything.
Damn.
Mixing a little bit
How's
of
that been
test.
impacting you?
Not much. Mixing some test, estrogen blockers, and then you're fine.
Oh, okay. I'm toast.
You have to smoke too, so you have a deep voice.
Well, I already smoked.
Monthly is actually, I mean, one of the students has a lot of potential. Sloth is actually doing really good. So he's, what was it called? Oh yeah, he's right here. Sloth. How is it going? How is your journey inside of the monthly?
It's good, bro. It's going good, to be fair, man.
That's good, I like to hear
I'm
that.
just eating an apple. But
All
no, it's
good.
going good. I'm about to start taking some notes again. I just thought I'd join the call for a bit.
Yeah, all good. We took a loss. How does that make you feel?
That's fine. I mean, just got to journal it. You know, it happened, man.
What's up, EC? Yeah, it happens. Set of slower probability because we have CPI tomorrow. That could be a major factor, but it is Wednesday. I don't really consider it. I'm really thinking it's less of a conditions thing. It could also be based upon China's news that's making us fail to go lower. Trump is saying it's a good time to buy. But what I'm really thinking that this is the 10 a.m. open manipulation and we're just accumulating in this range before we run it out again. So honestly, I'm thinking about 3 drives and then lower because I still want to be bearish on the day. I want to see who follows through for the weekly power 3. I do not want to see these highs get met again. We're above the new week opening gap, as you can see here, though. But everything was good. We're inside premium overall range, 10 a.m. open, premium here, premium there. Everything looked good. Run of premium highs, higher time frame CBs, 4-hour CB. A lot of stuff was going towards this trade, and it failed. And that's really just a part of it. It's nothing too crazy. I mean, I think everyone's edge will incur losses. It's just how you manage it, feel about it. Because I'm not really ashamed about it, or I'm not feeling like I'm insecure about taking a loss. It happens to everyone. Kind of getting used to that. But yeah, this is the 4-hour CB I was talking about that I want to see us hold. Yeah, it's baby FOMC though. It's usually, we usually get some really good AM session trades and then we kind of go off for the day. But I'm going to be waiting for 10:50. And no, I'm not on SARMs. I'm messing with you.
Yeah, no, it felt weird because, yeah, you know, I didn't think Mantas was actually going to be on SARMs.
No, I don't take any SARMs.
Because Mantas is not fucking stupid, that's the thing.
Oh, so you're calling him stupid?
I said Mantas is not stupid.
I'm not a,
Yeah,
what's it called,
because-
bodybuilder.
because-
I have no need for it. My genetic potential is
Yes.
good enough.
Yeah, as long as you stay natty.
Yeah, I wanted to
You
hop on
smoke
test
and
and
use
join
whatever.
UFC.
No, UFC.
Yeah, I wanted to hop on test, join UFC, and then have it be out of my system by the time I'm 21 or 22 and in the UFC.
No IW plan.
But yeah, they found out Jones was on estrogen blockers and they rid him of that stuff. So I'd have to like train like a monster, get my body juiced up, and then just go into UFC. I still
Not a
want to
bad
do
idea,
that though.
man. Not a
I
bad
still
idea.
want to join the UFC in the future.
I mean, if that's your dream, you can achieve it.
And look at Torres Finney.
Torres Finney.
TORRSFINNEY.
Finney?
Crazy. Dude.
Oh, Minnesota?
Finney. Is Minnesota?
I think so. He's a Somali, right?
Oh no. Oh wait, my daddy's oh,
Ooh.
my sugar daddy's messaging me. Oh.
What?
What? I'm sorry, my family was in a car accident and I've been dealing with it for the past 2 days.
Oh, wait, is that one guy that you were telling me about?
No, different guy.
Okay. You stopped trading after winning 5 matches. No, I will keep trading and show up to this live. And then just do like UFC trading Q&A every day. Who am I gonna fight
UFC, I'm
next?
so effing hyped.
I wish either the Roundtree fight just got moved, so I don't really have
It's
any
fine.
hype.
No, it's got moved to better.
Better?
Yes.
If it's not closer, it's not better.
No, because it's gonna be a better event.
Hmm. I am seeing him though. I
But
see Torres Finney.
he's like a small small DC.
I see him.
He looks so unnatty though. You can't tell me that he
I
looks
know,
like normal.
He does. 11-0 record.
Crazy dude.
5'8", 186 pounds. This dude has my dream physique. I think I'm 5'9" now though, so pushing out of the short territory.
Well, we're the same height. That's good. At least I know that one.
I will not. I won't forget any of you.
You will never forget me, Mantas.
I still remember my first students. Spoken, Zofayan, like Skinny Clavs, Niggy, that was his username before. I had a lot of students throughout the years. A lot of them got taught for free though. And then they started trash talking me.
Bro, Niggy is crazy. He dropped out, and he has a perfect build for the gym. He's
Yes.
crazy jacked.
Alright, weighing. I see weighing. Goodness me. You are crazy.
Damn, Dwayne, what the fuck?
Dang. Making good use
Damn.
of the concepts. Very nice job.
Nice, bro, nice.
Yeah. Don't limit your understanding of the model to just what I see. You can literally take it off of anything you want. Literally just master your own understanding of it, because there's so many interpretations of it. Based off of everything. I'm literally just repeating what, most of the time I'm just repeating ICT's most valuable concepts that you can use, and then I don't even see them for the most part. I just stick to like one really basic entry model. But yeah, you're free to expand as far as you want. That's really good though. Very good job, maybe. Wayne.
I just got destroyed, boys.
Happens to all of us. And also, your stop loss is fine there, Finn. It was mainly just breakaway gap and accumulation here. I'm thinking we're gonna accumulate and manipulate higher one more time for 3 drives, and then push lower off of that.
Mantis SMT internal.
Yep. Oh,
10,
thank
11.
you. Yeah, 10, 11. I see.
Yes.
Я сказал спасибо, брат. Спасибо большое.
I really want to just fucking fall here, but I've been playing the fall 2 different times. I got fucked.
Oh yeah. Gambling on eval, of course. How do I get off of this? Oh. 1 second. We are minus 57, 50. Maybe I should, okay, if I have 3 losing days in a row, I'm gonna consult Fury, ask him what I should do in terms of sizing. He's probably gonna say, just get off for the week. I'll just probably paper trade for the rest. What else could I be doing right now? I was supposed to be doing stuff in between the macro, I forgot. I had it pulled up in my Notion, my to-do list. Ready for accumulation 10 a.m. I think I was also checking economic news. What price are we at on Apple right now? Pushing up.
Mantas,
What's up?
let's watch Patty the Batty vlog.
It sounds familiar. Who is that?
He's fighting co-main event. Patty
yeah.
Pimblett, dude with the weird haircut.
I know him.
Mantas, watch.
Wait, let me look. Oh yeah, let's see. I'll be watching on the side. I gotta. Oh yeah, I know him. I want a vlog like that. I want a style very similar to that.
You need to.
I'm trying to incorporate like my fight training and stuff into my vlogs. Like I just don't show like my full training day, recap, then go to the boxing, motorcycle. I think that would be a
Motorcycle.
good split.
Who do you think's winning?
Patty.
I think so too.
She has it.
What do you think about Volkanovski, Lopez?
He'll fail. He will fall.
Huh?
He will fall and fail.
Who?
Volkanovski.
Ooh.
He won't make it. My notion's busted. Thanks a lot. Since the new update, it's just been broken. What else did I have to do? Oh yeah, I remember.
Mantas, you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. I was
Should
gone
it-
for a little bit.
Let's go. Should I make a beginner course for free, just so people can learn how to trade?
Well, what do you mean by beginner course?
Intro to SMC, just liquidity sweep, candlesticks, FEGs, basic stuff.
Oh, don't you already have it?
Oh, maybe I do. Do I?
Yeah, I think it's in, wait.
No, that's
Maybe
Takis.
free
That's
route.
Takis.
It says, no, it says in free resources, start trading psychology funded your first
I
model.
know, like I'll make actual videos for it, like each video for
Yeah,
everything.
make videos for it.
Okay, I will then. One more thing I want to show you. I'm thinking about
Go ahead.
unreleasing all my old content. Do you think it'd be a good idea? I privated almost like 200 videos of recaps that I used to do daily just to make my channel more clean, but I think I might bring them back.
Well, maybe you could make a channel on Discord on just trade, like say old trade recaps and then say important.
I don't think that'd be good. I'm gonna go through a few old ones just to see, and I want you to give me your opinion on one. Because during summer, when me and Baltic were going crazy, I had these two videos that I want to re-release, but I had so much hate from them. I had a ton of backlash from my Discord. Wait, Baltic, do you remember these videos?
Let me see, wait.
These two videos that I dropped, they got...
Yes, this one.
These
this was such a
videos.
good... Yes, this one.
Gambling?
Yeah.
No.
The fuck is this?
This is
bro?
OG Summer. You weren't even in the server at this time.
Is that Baltic?
Yeah, that's Baltic.
No.
Damn.
Yeah, when I went to Minnesota, it was crazy. Crazy experience.
Maybe remove the gambling part.
What? Weirdo.
Me, weirdo.
Yes.
But yeah.
You want to gamble good? Text Luca, bro.
What
No,
did I
just
hit?
kidding. No.
Alright, I'm grabbing coffee.
I miss summer. But yeah, I pulled like 2 all-nighters in a row just to push out this video. I'm gonna do the same thing though.
Well, that's the way I'm looking at it right now. I don't want that loser.
I don't want that loser.
Yeah, I don't want to check.
The loser's mindset.
Stake.
The stake. This was, oh,
Because as a quick recap,
Yes, go back. Gamba.
yo. We were going crazy on here.
What the fuck do you mean?
3.5k.
Did well though.
It actually did really well. I'm thinking about dropping it again.
Wait, check. Show me the analytics, like retention.
Okay, I'll show you. And the second one was kind of crazier. I was actually had way more content in it. It was a bigger win and stuff. Not bad. Okay. Tension, not didn't hold up too well, but it was
Yeah.
steady. Here, this is the next one. Let's see their retention.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
Oh, I
First
just
time
I
win.
want to see the video.
Better
I want to see
retention.
the video.
Mantas, I passed my second paper 50K
Okay.
just right now.
Nice. We're gonna go back to doing this in the future.
Easy does, Mister. What the fuck is that with Mantas' reaction? It's so fucking funny, bro. It's like,
I remember this trade.
Yeah, I remember that trade too. This one, last bet, 100x, 100x. Double 100x.
Life is absurd.
Oh yeah, the Zolfine blowing his first 50K. Life is absurd.
Oh
The
my
fact that we
God.
have to give ourselves.
Bro.
I need to get these shoes again. I'm gonna buy these shoes for summer. They're so good for boxing.
Bro, where did this content go?
It'll
that
come
just
back.
fell off.
Okay, it'll come back.
I'm not clicking, bro. What is wrong with my fucking computer? I'm about to slam my mouse.
These people weren't even here back then.
Fish and chips, man. Not no damn beans on toast.
bring back this content, yeah, facts.
I will.
Oh, this dude.
No, this is where I would have been filming.
Alright,
I would have been
Mantis, we're going to that soup. We're going to that eye.
fine. We'll go along then.
Oh yeah, people kept rage baiting me into taking trades on the funded account or
Yeah.
the eval. I got so mad at them. Like, we're gonna go higher. Okay, I'll take a look then.
Mantis, I'll go along.
And then bam, got stopped out.
Yeah.
Dumbass.
Then I get really mad at them. This is why
No, no
people have to stay
shit.
muted.
You know.
Otherwise, this happens.
Go up, go up, go up, go up.
This was.
Gave Baltic $20 with Baltic with 2 C's some crazy shit. I'm not gonna
This
lie.
dealer was tweaking.
Baltic,
How long you been trading?
No. Okay.
3 years.
1 loss. GG's. Kept getting destroyed.
Seeing my other trading
This?
friends. It's been great. They went to Orlando. I didn't go, but I had to go to a
Just
wedding.
gambling on steak.
We were trying to go to. I want us to go to Orlando. It's been like a week.
Just keep gambling on steak. It's crazy.
I might public him. Yeah. This was good summer vibe though. It'll come back.
So,
I'll public all my old
But
videos
yeah,
again.
next summer, 100%.
Next summer we're gonna recreate these videos. And I'm gonna
Daily
drop
trading.
them.
It's just OTE for value.
This was a good time though.
No, yeah, very good time.
This guy's Russian, so he doesn't.
How are you doing, Baltic?
How are you doing, Baltic? Who is Mantas?
He's in the server now. But Dom is in the
Yes.
server.
What the fuck is happening in here?
This is my old video that I
Wait,
privated.
Mantis, pause the video.
Wait, y'all guys
We
turned
told him,
into
like,
gamblers?
A long time ago.
I told the dealer that Mantis is a super famous streamer
5K
on
viewers on
Kick,
Kick.
and then he, like, after the shift, he went on Twitch. No, on Kick.
Kick.
Then we got him in the Discord, and we still have him here.
He's still in the
What?
server. He gives
No
he gave me
way.
he literally helped me fix my car when it was busted. With the brakes and stuff. I was like, Dom, help me, please. And he told me everything that was wrong with it. This dude's a good car guy. We talked about motorcycles and stuff.
Hey, buddy! Easy does it, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna skip to the wins.
How to trade Mondays.
Wait, hold on. Let's see Mantas' reaction on this again.
Wait, what happened to that? $70.
You're intrigued.
Bro started jumping.
Took profit.
Wait, listen. That account I had, the Solana account, I was running that up to 6K to buy a motorcycle. I got it up to, I went from 1K to 1.6K to 3.2K to 4K. And then I just took everything out because crypto started selling off. And then it pumped. If I held it, I would have a motorcycle right now. It would be 8K. But yeah,
Might of Ra.
it's because of Toji. But yeah, this video got
Yeah,
less than
Toji.
1,000 views. No one saw it. Which is good. They kept reporting, they kept reporting the video because they didn't want us to get traction.
Oh no.
They were not happy about this. They were saying you're destroying your brand. You are ruining your reputation. Everyone's gonna be hating on you. You are not a professional trader. Blah blah blah. You're
Well,
so
look at
fine.
Togi.
Life is absurd.
Just tell them, look at Togi.
That is absurd.
Meaning is life.
Yo, the 3 drives are crazy, bro.
Self and my boys. That's the meaning of hope. I hope.
Здравствуйте.
I saw Roman salute there.
Oh my gosh.
All gym content here. Summer gym was nice.
Mantas just pulling in a scar right there. Who the fuck is that kid? Is
The-
that Baltic?
This kid walked into Valley Fair.
fuck?
This kid right here, he walked into Valley Fair and peed all over the place. So he walked into the back room and peed all over the equipment.
What the fuck? W angles. Why you gotta get the right fucking angles?
Oh yeah, this is the same. The guy that's recording this right now was the same guy recording back then, a long time ago. Or like my most recent video. He's the guy at the camera that keeps interviewing me. Put the camera away.
Mantas, chill! Don't go so fast.
I'm trying to skip through.
Yeah, yeah. Technique.
Yeah, technique over speed, Mantas.
What do you mean technique over speed?
Yeah, I actually try trading the 2-set method, only at weighted pull-ups and weighted dips, and
Yeah,
you'll
bro, I
see
feel
the
like that
change.
kid in the pink shirt is fucking Baltic. I don't know.
Really?
Baltic, is that you?
Yeah, of course, yeah, the pink shirt, yeah, that's me.
Yeah, the pink shirt. Yeah, that's you.
Yeah,
Gotta be you. Gotta be you.
I was a much better boxer this time. I think I was skinnier, so I was faster.
No, you're bulkier and you're stronger. Very nice dodge.
No, Nasdaq stopped me on break even and went away.
Yeah, it's pushing lower.
Yeah, it's pushing lower. W contact, bro. Bring the shit back, bro.
I might bring it
That's
back.
not a bad content.
I mean, the setup was good though.
Be proud of the movement. It was crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, I woke up so fucking sick.
Because I know he was watching the video. I'm not a science-based lifter, no. I just do
You're a
whatever.
science-based lifter. You disgust me.
Really? What's science-based? Romeo, drop your physique.
You want me to drop my physique?
Yes, drop your physique.
Yo, Mantas, I haven't lifted weight in my life.
Yeah, no shit, because you do calisthenics.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pretty much yeah, he's jacked. My physique is not great, but at least I'm not science based.
Why are we looking at recaps?
Yeah, exactly.
Because this is how you used to train.
Oh, hello OG recaps. Oh, I remember.
Very OG recap. This is almost a year ago. This recap's 1 year old, basically.
That's crazy.
I made 7K a lot, so I don't know. I was balling out back here. You could see like me on an XFA making 2 to 3K a day.
Just open ledger randomly.
Yeah, it was the era of good price action, not like
Yeah,
this.
Yeah,
it was.
true.
1.2K up on an XFA like it was nothing. That would be a big deal today.
I think I caught that.
Dude, I remember like last year's January, I got out of the month with 20% profit on the account.
20%? 20
Yeah.
2-0?
Yeah, 20.
Nice. Wait, was your server name Grit?
Yeah, the OG, and then Zofine got deleted. This is the limit right here that I left, and it got tapped in, take profit, 169 ticks. I don't know how much that is. But yeah, this is the trade I took. Look at this stop loss. I don't know what I was on back then.
It's super tight stop loss.
Look at that clean price action.
100.
Yeah, bro, I
Agree.
missed this type of price action here.
Bro, I'm about to cry, dude.
Yeah, true.
I'm just gonna make sure. No, we weren't actually. That's weird.
I missed this price action,
So I
bro.
thought we
It's
were in
so.
our second
I just wanted to come back.
It
Looks like AMD probably slapping a macro. What you think, Mantas?
Probably will. That's what I'm anticipating.
Dang.
Basically, just pretend we got filled down there. 3 contract fill, instantly up 7K.
Oh my god, look at that.
Look at that. Look at that price, clean fucking price
I was
action.
expecting this high to get ran out through end of day macro. And higher time for value gap, internal for.
What's
Oh
up,
yeah.
Ryan?
Let me just say one thing. I traded 3 NQ contracts back then with like a 11-point stop every single day on the XFAs.
3
3 NQ contracts, yeah. And then I
30
took
minis.
this was the entry I took back then, and it pumped.
from me, and I'm closing out. And what was it? I closed out, and guess what it did? I was like, oh, I think it's gonna reverse. So,
Oh, I tilted here. I tilted.
And basically, as you can see right here, I'm gonna try reorchestrating that, but basically, when I closed out, the second I shorted, blew straight through, no stop loss. So, I mean, emotional trading.
Blew straight through, no stop loss.
Yeah.
No stop loss. I pumped. I was like, oh my goodness, a reversal is coming. I shorted right away. Oh, I was at McDonald's when this happened. I was skipping what's it called, after school detention at a McDonald's because I was freaking out about this. I saw this happen and there was no news. I'm like, all right, some U.S. government stepping in. They're gonna add news to the market. Boom, 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 boom. And like, there's no news. I gotta short this. And from like 7K up on an XFA down to just 250.
That's crazy.
Oh my
That is crazy. Mantas, stop tilting! Stop tilting!
This was a year ago.
Gosh darn it!
This was 1 year ago when I was younger. Max size.
The gravity is pulling him.
Our wick lower, our first run lower. This is our manipulation, right?
Look at that session AMD, so fucking clean.
Very clean. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution lower. Very clean, actually. You can see the stuff recurring. Let me see older videos. Oh, please, no.
Bro, I swear to God, I'm gonna cry, dude. Stop showing me this price action, bro.
I want to see like if I have one from exactly 1 year ago.
Like, even in December, we had better price action than this shit.
Yeah, you're right. 528. 4. It's 4.9 today.
Now wait, I'm about to drop the physique. Chill, hold on. I'm connecting my.
Bro, it's wanting that physique so bad.
Yeah, exactly, bro. I'm 17. Chill the fuck out.
He's probably in the list.
Yeah, he's already on the fucking list. Mark, there it is. Drop now. Dark. Stop being.
5 minutes.
Okay,
No,
Dark.
he's lying.
What's
Nah,
up?
Dark is actually.
Oh, wait, let's vote Trump out, make me president. He'll put also good positions. I'll become cabinet member, finance.
Bro, my nose is so fucking
Oh, I
running,
forgot to see
bro.
this one.
What the fuck?
Yeah, this is almost a year ago. $950 XFA.
Alright, boys, hold on. I'm about to open my webcam right now. Want me to drop
Quick update on that account.
my
We are
physique?
at
I'll drop it.
basically
No
3K
problem.
for it.
102K. Let's go. Smart Connect.
Where was it?
Recap's
Right here.
410 recap. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys an update because I'm doing the funded series where I buy
Old
these,
intro.
past
Old
these,
intro.
you
This is old
all
intro.
the steps so you can know
Yes.
no surprises along the
Oh,
road.
the lighting is so fucking terrible. Shirt off. Fuck no, I'm not taking my shirt off, bitch. I put on the
Oh.
tightest shirt I have.
I'm just gonna aim for more steady. I'm gonna act like I
Oh,
don't have
Jesus.
50K count. I'm gonna start risking like 1
Look.
contract again, just so I can build
It's
up
not
the
bad,
confidence.
alright? I'm just a little bit skinny.
Take it off.
I'm not fucking taking my shirt off, bro. Pants off.
Bro, it's Jack.
Yo!
You're Jack.
Throughout the day, it was bad. Like,
No, there was 1 p.m.
Add these up. Yo, chill out. Yo, what the
reversal was good, though, you're
That was valid.
The 1 p.m. reversal was the
right.
only
Yeah, 1
good
p.m.
thing.
reversal was good. though,
Look,
you're right.
it's. I mean, it looks like exactly what it.
Mantas,
Back ain't so
check
bad.
this.
I'm just like looking at my back through the camera like this. What the fuck? Iconic, your turn. Italian good boy. Fuck you.
That's how loud it was. Rough day at school because of those people.
Wait, hold on. Can I like? Hold on.
I don't know what the fuck.
Oh, this was OG Streezy, I forgot. My sister.
Nice job.
Yeah, this is just really slow boxing. I should probably incorporate more boxing into my vlogs.
Mantas, I'm dropping physique and you ain't even looking. Like the fuck?
I gotta
He's
see what
busy.
I gotta see what trade I took.
We can identify Seek and Destroy just by looking at our landing session, which is this blue line.
Okay, we look
I'm gonna try
way
to
better
get
now.
it right now.
Definitely.
But these two boxes, like the range pattern going outwards,
Yeah,
this
alright.
is a
Not
good
bad.
indicator, especially on a Monday with no news. We are gonna have Seek, but as you can see right here, we did really
I need
good.
to work on my
Right
fucking
here,
biceps for a
SMT,
small
yeah,
show.
so we ran up this low, so automatically that's making me bullish. And ICT did get an entry. I think I did
Tricep
chase a
is
play actually.
good.
Just going
You know,
long.
someone is
chasing
about to
long
come.
side. But let's put with the long right here. And my long was off this breaker formation right here. And I had my stop loss. Once we form the breaker, we tap back into the breaker, which I like just because we had the
How tall? 175 centimeters, 5'9". 5'7", are you tripping?
5'9", I'm 6 flat.
No, 5'3", my boy, do I look like a dwarf? Okay.
Yeah, I clipped that shit. I just clipped it.
Yeah, drop it in the chat, drop it.
Wait. Oh, no, I didn't clip. Oh my god, fuck.
Fuck, you didn't clip, bro. This dude is back. Yeah,
Something is off with my OBS.
Maybe I should do the same. I traded with no narrative. It was just straight off of, and I didn't trade an inch on it. It was just straight. No, it was really straight off of what I read. So if I saw AMD, I'd be short. If I saw was Seek and Destroy, I'd long the bottom, short the top. Oh.
Is that Vaseline?
Vaseline? You're tripping.
Those retards give me headaches. Alright, 10:50, let's get straight into it. This is a nightmare. Okay, focus on. 5-minute busy, I want to see us retrace into. I want to see further distribution for the 10 AM power 3. If we can retrace into this. Yeah, this is a 15-minute. Okay, let me see what the 5-minute says. So, 5-minute, I want to see manipulation into the 15-minute gap. We are not really inside of a discount of the range. It would be better if we could see a run lower, but you could obviously see how the macro reacts. That's why I love macros so much. We have really good reactions off of them. So we could come back down into this previously respected BISI. I think this is OTE of the overall range. And we'll go based off of that. Alright,
Why
mute
do
up.
I have to wake up sick, bro?
Mute up. We gotta focus.
Alright.
I'm probably going to be looking to consider this as like AMD. I want to see a run higher after this. It's not really the best thing to look for, but it's what I'm being told, and I'm going to trade what I see, not really what I feel. So we're going to go based off of that. So maybe a BPR down here would probably be my entry. Really want to see this act as AMD. I'm trying not to make the same mistake I did yesterday, but I mean, we should be bearish. We're failing to go lower. Let's see what else we could do here. Could we damage? Running through this low wouldn't be a bad idea, especially if we can retrace into discount. Heavily going based off of dealing ranges for this one.
I would try to look for a SMT low, discount SMT low.
Mute up.
Okay. Well, damn.
I'm just saying, mute up. We gotta focus. Okay, I'm gonna be closely watching this. We're inside of a 15-minute busy right now. Reversal here would be optimal. This is gonna be like a really quick entry, honestly. Probably gonna hit max loss. We'll see. Meeting our criteria. If our edge isn't gonna play out today, then I might just pay for the whole week. Try this out. 75. Well, I can go to the 80 territory. Just make back whatever I had. We can see that we're bearish. I don't like pushing lower off of these civvies, but we're finally out of the weird jagged price action, and we're inside the 15-minute busy. So if we're in any good time to reverse, I'd say it'd be right about now. So we're gonna look from this high down to this low and look for standard deviations. So standard deviation, not really any major standard deviation at this range. So higher time from awareness, I have to see where we close on the 5-minute where we're at. Pretty big manipulation through the 10 or below the 10 a.m. open. If we can even get shards below minute New York open, that would be really nice. But I'm completely fine with whatever happens. I'd really want to see the 5 minutes start to respect this 15-minute busy lower time frames. Then again, we have this little this isn't really an unfilled gap, but we could rebalance the hourly CISD on the hourly. Actually got tapped really nicely right here, so I'm gonna keep this marked out as 1 hour. When our CSD ran, we met that, so we did run into a key level inside of here. Longs are kind of loading up to be really nice. So we'll see what happens here. We have a reason to be pushing lower because of this inversion right here. This inversion kind of gets in the way, but if it is going to be respected, then we won't go lower. This is inside of macro, so it's not really too crazy for me. So key level met. No major SMT as I can see. Well, we do have little SMT from what I can see at the lows right here, so I'll keep them marked out. Failure to go lower in NQ is good for us. So yes, major low. Now I have to look for internal. Oh, I'm already on 1 minute. I'd rather see us run through the low one more time just to confirm it. So like a low SMT here would be good, but if we don't, I'm still willing to take the entry. Then if I take a loss, it's like max loss 150. Not too big of a deal, it's fine. Okay. $705 potentially. I have to see just to confirm if there's any type of legs that line up with it. With this one right here count, I don't really think it would. Because this isn't really time based, it's just the 9 a.m. open. Okay, kind of confirming really well here. Yeah, hidden SMT. Что? We just have SMT with PDRs. Okay. I'm looking for a separate type of, well no. I'm fine with us running lower here though. This is actually kind of good for us. I just want to see internal SMT hold. ES is running at that low as well, so it's not doing too good. But we have SMT with bodies, so that's fine, I guess. Too much risk. This little manipulation, like what is our projections? Okay, so 10 a.m. open lines up with second standard deviation, so if we did close above here, I'm willing to take this entry. We have enough room to breathe. This is the rest of my max loss limit on the day. Good risk management, good setup, fits the logic, fits my narrative. It has 15-minute PD array, hourly key level, ran into CISD, potentially an unfilled gap in 5 minutes right here. What is this? 405, targeting 447. 447 is the 10 a.m. open. So that is going to be kind of a big take profit, but based off what I see in the 5 and 1 minute, I'm pretty sure I can be fine. I just want to get my entry real quick and just be able to move. I hate just sitting here and watching it. I want to get water. Alright, the second this kind of closes, I'm gonna be right back. I'll try to be back quick. Alright, let's see what we're doing here. I don't like going lower off of the civvy, and I'm not going to chase some sort of other entry, and this entry here wasn't even inside a macro. It is still a good PD array, but I'm not really looking for it. It's going to be an trying to long, or long inside of it, but we still fit, we still match everything, so I'm fine with it. This is very interesting. The volume and balance there, it's kind of crazy. Okay, so this is going to be some really good data collection for me either way, and I don't really have any shame if I take a loss. I'm doing everything properly, everything I'm analyzing is pretty good, so I wouldn't say so, because I'm really expecting to take another loss on the day and just be off. It's not really the best conditions, sadly, but you can always be patient and wait for better conditions. I wish, but not entirely. We are really extended inside of premium. I like us running it to discount, but it's still just, I don't know, high probability setup earlier failed. I'm expecting the same thing to happen here, but I'm still going to take it because, of course, it's just my edge. I'm going to have to follow it. Close below the hourly CISD, that's bad. That's not good. We don't want to see that. Close below in all time frames. Hourly, it's 10. Hold on, let's see what 10 a.m. open did. Distribution, open accumulation. Yeah, this trade is gonna be a lengthy one. At the very least, I think we can get sufficient run higher for me to go break even. Gotta just protect me. My time will come again though, when everything does improve. I'm gonna be able to consistently bang out trades. It's just a small matter of time. My psychology is really dialed in. My analysis is good too. So we're just gonna go based off of this, the logic.
This is impressive how slow it is. I'm not gonna lie. It's very slow.
Disagree. So you're here.
Да, я
Uh-oh.
здесь.
Oh,
Здравствуйте. Okay, so I'm still gonna take it. I don't really care. No shame in it.
What should my stop loss be though? Can't understand.
I just throw it wherever.
Man,
What?
Mantas, look at my screen really quick.
Let's see this. Three, two, one, bang. Let's buy. We are in.
You're crazy.
Let's see.
Why would I be crazy? It's a model I'm testing.
Yeah.
We got the closure above, right? I gotta check NQ real quick, so hopefully this doesn't run away.
Okay, if I actually...
Oh wait.
No closure above an NQ.
No, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, we're expanding from this.
Oh. Okay.
The
Good call,
CFDs.
Mantas.
The CFDs. You just
Second
take off
entry.
we'll break even.
We can manage stop loss after we close, so breakaway gap.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I think we've
One.
expanded high enough.
I'm locked out, so I can't take anything.
I already took out the high, so.
See, we'll move it. I won't get
I'm
emotional.
breaking it.
I'll just leave it and let it do its thing. I don't know what my take profit should be. I think I should just go with the safest take profit just to ensure profits. Yeah, I think that's for the best. I'll just go for less. As long as the risk reward still fits. We'll go for 1 to 4 minimum.
Am I the only one that hates taking medicine?
No, you're not the only one. Depends on
Yo,
what
lock in.
Yeah, lock in.
Macro time, no bullshit discussion.
Exactly.
Like it's been a week.
Oh my goodness, who is that?
Me, it was me.
You're taking the fall for him?
I'm taking what?
Nothing. Focus up though. IFAG, inverse this gap, stop loss gets tightened. I have to go break even now.
You lied to me.
I lied to you, I'm sorry. What happened?
Oh no, you didn't lie to me. Excuse me.
What happened?
No.
Что?
It's okay. I missed
hope
it, but
so.
it's okay.
Oh no. Didn't you have to take a trade? Or did you force?
No, I didn't take anything.
Okay, good. Stop loss. Breakaway gap. I'm expecting retrace, but nothing too crazy. Just because I think NQ wants to be offered an entry at the same gap as well. Just going off the, what's it called? But the MNQ, NQ, SMT should hold pretty nicely, so.
I'm not sure if I should still try to take it,
I think it's a little bit late for that.
Yeah, because we hit macro open, that's why I don't want to take it.
You're right, we did. Dang, maybe I should go break even.
Break even
Yeah,
myself.
you're right, this is break even. Okay, that's right. After running this high, if we come back down here, the trade is already invalidated. Forgot about that. The line of doom. Break even.
I caught the bottom tick of this move. This is impressive.
Stop tickling me.
The fuck? Okay, we need to break above this stuff. I don't like
I'm just eating lunch and watching the charts.
W.
This is something that normal people would find weird.
That's a good thing they're not normal.
Yeah.
Again, I don't know what else to say. Even point, we can hope for a second expansion higher, 1 to 10. Current, oh wait. No, it wasn't a 1 to 10 entry, it was just 1 to 4 risk reward. Of breakaway gap. Close above. Closure here, okay. Yeah, this is real entry on the funded account. Romeo, drop that screenshot in my stats. I want the, actually, if the students are here, if you guys ever take any good entries or losses, just throw them with the stats, like, for the day. I just want to see how the students do every single day, the trades you guys take. So, you guys are welcome to post your trades and the stats, along with my own.
I'm gonna drop it in here as well.
Yeah, all my nerves are gone. I'd be shaking or feeling like scared of an entry, taking it live, but it's completely gone now.
Are you talking about the member charts?
No,
Or
and
just the
my
Mantas?
Mantas stats, where I show like my everyday executions and entries. I could close right now and make up for both the losses. I'm just kidding, I wouldn't do that. And yeah, like my stats, like it says 4-9 today. Just drop your entries on 4-9.
Yeah, I'll just step in and short with 150 NQ contracts.
Hold on, Mantas, I cannot find this. Where is it?
It's in the free section.
Oh, free section. Okay.
I have to start trailing my stop loss a bit, just because of the trailing loss rule.
Is it live trailing while you're in position?
It is live trailing. That's why it's nightmare.
Yeah, this sucks. I mean, if you chase high risk to reward ratios, like the trailing stop would be your nightmare.
It is, but as long as the take profits hit, I feel like I should be secured.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hold on to the profits and then really just size down. I have to trade with it's such a slow process. In Top Step, I'd be willing to bang out 5 M&Q in these conditions, but I really have to be aware, because if it does run and stop me out or something, it kind of tightens me against the ropes that I don't want to do.
Okay, so either
But
we
why
drop
would you buy
or-
a trailing?
Because
Jordan?
it was given to me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Plus same day payouts. Take profit share, use code Mantas.
Always Mantas, you already know this. I still cannot find this fucking Mantas thing.
Oh, I'll add you in a Romeo.
Yeah, just tag me, just tag
I
me.
tagged you. Drop it. Whatever you want. I hate the hesitation here. I don't like it anymore. Usually I'd kill the position here just because of the hesitation and the internal SMT that we're having, but I'm gonna hold it. My stop loss is already in a decent enough place. But yeah, I would really like to see distribution higher. Or maybe some sort of news event to step in and then I go crazy off of that. Where is our thing?
Okay, dropped it.
Thank you.
Are we gonna have another expansion higher? It's gonna hit my TP, or are we just gonna go to break even?
Well, I have second standard deviation. Oh, standard deviation's marked out improperly. It's my bad. I didn't even realize that we ran out that low again. Okay, it's still fine. It's still a decent take profit. I really don't want to see a retrace. I don't think it hit stop loss, but I think it would try to rebalance the entry and NQ, which would be an issue because that's right where my stop loss is. So I'm thinking it's gonna stop me out and run higher. In a sense, but if this inversion can hold, I think we're good. And if the breakaway gap will hold, I think I'm okay. So we'll just wait for that. What is that?
I don't know. Somebody listening to drill. I don't know why anybody in their sane mind in 2025 will still listen to drill, but okay.
2025.
Yeah, I think he left.
Finally.
Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get some food. See you soon.
Okay. See you, Mantas.
Yeah,
Come
it's
on.
been It's been 2 weeks since I've been sick, and I'm giving my body the option to heal itself without medications.
Yeah,
But
it's
it
been tough, isn't
sucks.
it? Yeah.
It's sucking at it sucks at healing, bro.
Romeo,
Yo, what's up?
dove sta quella cosa?
Ti taggo,
Detto.
ti taggo.
Ok.
Yo, Romeo, last night I've seen the most brain rotted shit on
Oh my
Instagram,
god.
and it's
What is
Italian
this?
brain rot.
Italian brain rot is crazy. Hold on. Is it tralalero tralala?
Yeah, and like no shit. Like what the fuck is that?
Like, what the fuck is that, bro?
Rippi troppi.
Bombardino crocodilo.
Rippi troppi.
Bombardino crocodilo.
What the fuck is that, bro?
Just a bunch of AI generated bullshit. I don't even know what does
Yo,
that.
these AI generated bullshit, they be banking off kids, bro.
Yeah,
Like
fact.
kids nowadays are like growing up brain rotted. Like literally, I have like my nephew and my niece. They're like 5, 6 years old, and they be like, but like my nephew came to me one day and he was like, "Do you know the skibidi toilet?" And I'm
Oh
like, "What the
my
fuck?"
god. OG brain rot. Wait,
And
I
I'm
have to
like,
go.
"What the
I'll be right
fuck?"
back.
Oh Romeo, ma quindi che dobbiamo fare in quel gruppo, scusa? Oh,
Like seriously, these kids are on another level of brain rot.
Romeo!
Yeah, he's ignoring you. He's
He's
just like
said
that.
I'm gonna hit break.
He's only stupid.
What the fuck is that? Hitler?
Really, you called that Hitler?
Yeah, is it banned?
No, I don't know what it is. Давай, давай. Сука, ёбана. Breakaway gap, good management, I guess. TP, maybe? I don't know. At least we're not red
Is
on the
that one of
funded.
Q con?
If it would have been 1 in QCon, I'd be up 2.2k right now. That's halfway to a motorcycle. Давай, пацаны, так рожаем его. Ты сука, блядь, иди нахуй, ты не знаешь, что ты сказал. Я работаю в онлайн. Я лучше буду так, чем работа на заводе. So, about to hit second standard deviation, and that's gonna be it for the trade. I think if we're gonna hit take profit, it's gonna be plus.
Oh, what is ejection?
I really hope it would hit take profit. I have to deal with the live trailing drawdown, and I don't know. I'd just rather be green than red.
Yeah, one time I got edged by 2 ticks.
It's fine though. If it does happen, I mean, I'll just know the markets are out to get me. Especially because we didn't reach the 10 a.m. open nor the second standard deviation yet, which a lot of it's riding off of that, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna go and get some more food or something. I don't know. I hate watching it.
The market makers are against me. Yo, where's Romeo? Alright, I'll be back in 10 minutes. Better go wash the dishes.
JJ, yes, I do have a second monitor.
You can hear that. Okay, I don't know what else to do. I hate the hesitation here. It happens though. We ran into a high probability busy. I don't know how to play any if I'm being honest. I just picked it up in between the macro and I just started messing around with it until I got something down. We are learning. I try to be as productive as oh my goodness, I'm recording it. No, never mind. I try to be as productive as possible in between macros, so I just do random stuff. I either read, play an instrument, study Russian, whatever. So I might keep messing with that until we do hit take profit. No, I didn't copy trade. I'm just trading one funded right now.
Are you playing the guitar?
I can't do the rest. Okay, I got edged. Давай, пожалуйста. Давай. Oh my goodness. We should reverse past this point. I'm anticipating slippage to hold it down for me, but we are done. Shout out to V1TR for saying I'm gonna get busted break even. I'm green for the day on the funded account. Woo! And I don't know what else to do. I'm done for the day. I want to break this down or something. I don't really care though. Emotionally devoid of whatever the F we are. Okay, it's weird, cause listen, this short here, but way more high probability than this long. So that's kind of what's messing with me, but I'll see how much we're up. You closed early. I think I did close early. We're plus $239 on funded account today. Ooh, yeah, W, woohoo. 239 really.
Oh, do you like the music?
What?
Do you like the music?
Music?
Yeah, on the video that I posted on Trading Floor.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, go check it out.
Yeah, of course, that's Dancing Nihilist. I love it. I was using it a while ago. Oh, you made a TikTok. You gotta at me in that.
Yeah.
We finna make it.
I gotta add you.
At me in it. Oh my, Alex. Hello, Alex Crudo. How are you?
Alright, hold on. What's your ad on TikTok, man?
MX.
Not much.
There you go.
W trade, man.
Hey, thank you, man. Just applying the system. I'm finally, bro. I don't feel scared about trading live anymore. I would literally be out break even here. I would trail my stop loss so heavily because I'd be afraid of taking a loss. But that interferes with my system, and I just got to a point where I'm like, I don't care anymore. Everyone else can fail.
You just not gotta give a fuck.
Yeah, just execute consistently on my model, and this is the result. And I just do this until the end of the month, and I'll have a payout. That's how it's always been for me.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, that's a shame. Sanjay, Nibble. You take yes, you were scared to do a phone? Okay. That's fine.
The fact that I made the TikTok exactly when TP got ran is so satisfying.
You got a, what was it called?
Okay, man, you're gonna have to tell me which one of these you are, because
there are so many. It's the only one with the name, though. At least I got the TikTok out.
Yeah. I'm gonna send it to you. Actually, post it on yours.
Okay.
Say another student win.
Also, what was it called? I've made something for today. Boom. I thought I was gonna win
Nice, bro.
1050, but it ended up being different. But we're gonna drop a review, whole breakdown for free. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna mention like most of the black sheep sauce, but we will see. Anyways, I could have held to 4 standard deviation and just been a baller, but we really gotta focus on the small profits, consistent profits. Give me let's up. Baltic. Is Baltic okay? I'm gonna do this, but in reality, we closed. Like right here. Closed.
I'm gonna send this to my sister because my sister actually wants to trade with me, so.
Really?
Yeah, fucking yeah, she does.
Is she gonna be in the server?
I don't know. She's working. She doesn't really have much free time.
Are you gonna?
She doesn't live with me.
Oh.
That's the
Okay.
problem.
Are you gonna? What's the name for it?
Teacher. Of course I'm gonna teach her.
Are you gonna teach her black sheep stuff or your stuff?
Oh, depends. Both, I suppose.
Okay.
Well, mostly my stuff though, because I wanted to like pay for black sheep. I don't want to spoil.
Man, just think you can ask the other members. If though I don't really care personally, it's the other members. The black sheep, I prioritize them a lot.
Exactly.
I love them.
But he doesn't live with me.
Mantas.
Baltic. It's
Very
sad.
good trade.
What happened to your trade though?
I didn't execute.
I know. It's not good.
Yeah,
Man. I don't care, no.
It's okay.
Very good trade.
Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. All my FOMO is gone, so I'm very happy. Look at this. What do you think about thumbnail? I'll use OG intro too.
Yeah, W. Absolute W.
Is he
Absolute
back?
W.
Is he back? I'm
We
back.
back.
We're gonna be dropping more recaps and stuff.
King is back.
The king is back, boys.
Drop the
king is
execution.
back.
It was ICT's Twitter space that made me want to drop it. Listening to those things are like, you are a effing fraud if you can't record your executions and break it down live. You have no clue what you're talking about. Anyways, reason, okay, breakaway gap, stop loss immediately goes to breakaway gap. Breakaway gap will not get tapped into. High probability IFEG, we can go break even quickly because of the NQ, MQ, SMT that I mentioned to the black sheep earlier today. I said I wanted you guys to help me study it, look for it, and we actually had a very good occurrence of one here, which made this a very high probability entry. And second standard deviation, just accumulation, manipulation. We're looking for distribution to the upside now. Fourth standard deviation, we also had the 15-minute gap as well that we also closed below, so that was kind of invalidated, but it was mainly the retracement into discount of the overall dealing range here. This is like a higher time frame confirmation, accumulation, manipulation into discount of the range, plus this IFEG, and then looking for distribution higher. So I could have held for longer, but holding for longer becomes a really big liability just because of my max trailing drawdown. Otherwise I would be holding out a lot more. So 145 points captured with one MQ. So I don't know, mid probability. I'd say this is B plus. I'll leave it to the breakdown though. I'm gonna try having like the best breakdown on YouTube because it's like a return thing for me. Oh yeah, I gotta
Imagine
post.
like my model mixed with Mantas's model. Oh yeah, 100%.
That's what I want you to do. My model is literally just, it's not even a model, it's literally just all the concepts that ICT mentioned
Yeah,
in
just
2024.
conferences. Yeah.
Discretionary.
Bro, not gonna lie, like, Mantas, just check this out, bro. This is insane.
You are doing very good. You're doing very exceptionally well.
4R, bottom tick, top tick. That's crazy.
Yeah, you're doing really
I'm going
well.
crazy. I'm going crazy. All thanks to Mantas and to God, of course.
Always praise. Good job. I'll do my stats later. 239.
No, you have to do them now. You have to be disciplined.
Disciplined. I'm gonna try posting on my TikTok story. See what happens off of that.
Oh, it does nothing.
I mean, I see all the other traders doing it, so I might as well try.
Maybe.
I want to see if I'm shadow banned. I'm making a really good video. Just oh no, F me. I deleted the story. Come on. I posted it and I deleted it.
Wait, hold on. Which one are you? There's way too many Indians on TikTok trying to be you, man.
Really?
There's too many Indians, bro. It's not possible. MXX TAS. You're the one with 20.9 followers? 20.8? You know what I mean.
Probably.
20.9k, yeah.
No! I keep messing it up.
Yeah, man, that's a very nice profile, by the way. Not gonna lie.
Thank you. I appreciate it a lot.
No, you gotta look at trading floor chat really quickly. Just crazy profile name. Not gonna lie.
Give me 1 second. I gotta fix this. It's just the stories keep breaking on me. It's infuriating. Woohoo, we made real money.
Real money.
I just want better conditions, if I'm being honest.
Check trading floor chat really quickly.
Okay.
Блять, нахуй.
Блять,
What the
нахуй.
fuck?
Is that
Oh,
you?
yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's.
Hope. One of my videos isn't there. That's weird. I have 3 pinned videos and one isn't there.
Yeah, TikTok does that. Doesn't show some videos.
Oh, it's a 2 million one. Story. I should make a TikTok live.
TikTok live.
Well, you can fucking hear me. What the fuck?
You can. Let me see if you actually did at me. I'll repost your video. PB Trading?
Mantas, I don't know where, like, what profile to at you from.
PB Trading
This
is
legit.
following me. What?
This was an A+ setup. Legit.
It
Because
was legit.
Look at today's new day opening app.
Oh, you're right.
Beautiful.
Wait, you're right. I
These are
forgot to
beautiful.
use them. Wait, new day. There, this one. That you're right.
Look at that.
This was beautiful. This was an A+ setup. I'm sorry.
It was very nice.
This was an A+ setup.
Only
Finn.
thing is, why,
Dang.
like NQ didn't do it.
This was the key level. That's crazy. Okay, so at least we did see it. That's fine. Also, I don't know if I'm gonna mention it. I might do 2 separate recaps, but we'll see.
Oh my god. What is your actual at? Because I'm having trouble finding you. MXXTAS. Okay, so let me just remove the fucking name here. Just Mantas all lowercase. Okay. W story Mantas. Just Mantas all lowercase. Okay. Mantas all lowercase. Okay. Okay. Just Mantas. Let me see how many fucking people I find here. D Mantas. There's gonna be a lot of people here. Alright then. Can you guys hear me? Yeah, I think you can.
Yo, I'm back. That's good.
It's coming from Discord, that's where it's coming from. Yep. Oh fuck, let's go TikTok. I don't care if I tag the wrong one. Yeah, that's top tick, bottom tick right there. Crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Crazy stuff. Mantas, tell me if you get the notifications when I tag you. I'm not gonna post them with the Ku Klux Klan sound, that's for sure. Yes. I think you should be the first one. Mantas. It's Mantas all lowercase, right? Okay, why not?
Bro, they cooked my Pioneer account. Mm.
I think I do want to contact fearing though.
We have an
Only
HPI Fiji right now.
Oh. The main thing I struggle with, I feel like I'm gonna forget how to trade. Like my edge is just gonna be obliterated out of my mind. I want to get rid of that. Also, HP, IFEG, very good. Off of second standard deviation, it fits the narrative, but I mean, we should still continue higher. There should only be retracement to discount of the range, then we should be good to go higher. Discount low ran, I would want to see higher. Breakaway gap though kind of validated this entry, which would have been really nice. I think I might contact fearing. For these decks, because I've been struggling with this for such a long time. I want to get rid of it once and for all. Feel like I'm gonna forget my edge or forget how to trade. I mean, I could read it all right now, but what if like a year in the future I just forget about some concepts that I haven't used in a while? You think that's possible?
Like what?
Like I forgot, like forgetting to mark out like session highs or lows or targeting session highs or lows, or like standard deviation, because I forgot to use standard deviation for a while. Yeah, I'd hate that. I want to be able to get rid of it.
Have a check. You get on checklist everything. Boom, boom, boom. Checklist.
You're right. I
Mark
should
out
checklist it. Because like, look, we forgot to use the new day opening gap. This would have given us like a high probability order block entry or something. Way cleaner entry. Checklist. I should get a checklist.
Like when you see a trade forming, have a checklist. Like you check so many things.
I usually do that.
High time from SMT, low time from SMT.
You're right.
New log, new log.
Mantas.
Yeah, it's the subconscious concepts though. Like you saw the ones I marked out inside of Black Sheep. It's those that I use without even realizing that I forget about. Because a lot of my winning trades have those.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Look, these bearish FEG failing, bullish PDA supporting, failure to completely fill gaps, failure to tap CE, price failing to go lower off CIBI, reinforcing inversion breaker block concepts, measuring gaps, stuff like that I use in my mind without realizing it. That's what I'm worried about forgetting, because they are a major part of my trading. But it's like if I scroll on TikTok for like 10 minutes, I forget, and as long as I don't go on TikTok, I'm fine. That's literally what it is. It's so weird.
TikTok ban.
TikTok banned.
Did you get the notifications when I tagged you in my story?
I think. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, can you go check because I don't want to have tagged like the fake.
Yeah. We're not successful until we take a big payout. Bolshoi. Okay. You probably did. Web. Web is blowing up. You didn't. I didn't get anything.
You didn't get anything?
Yeah, I didn't get anything. Like it's like just the way I typed it to you. That's it.
Looks like I tagged the wrong Mantas.
MXXTAS. That's the only one. There's no way you can mistake that.
Wait, hold on. Let me remove this nigga then. MXXTAS. Hold on. Yeah, I mentioned you. MXXTAS.
I'll get it soon. Probably recognize you as spam.
TAS.
Romeo is a scammer. He's spamming.
No, I tagged the right one. I tagged the right one. No, I'm not tripping. I know I tagged the right one.
It's always the people who comes in your DMs and be like, "How's your trading journey going?"
Yeah, true, man. True.
Mantas. Russian birds.
The. Русский что? Я не знаю.
М?
Русский что? Я не знаю. Как бы... Bird.
Bird. So,
I've been listening to some bangers Russian songs lately.
like what?
It's
Wait, let me find
it's
in the playlist.
pizza. It's pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. P.
First time
It's
hearing.
P-T-I-C-A. The U.
Pizza. First time hearing.
Русская pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah, proper grammar. Русская. Русская pizza. Pizza. There you go.
Okay, I might need to dip. I need to do productive stuff.
Very
Why
productive.
does
I gotta
Russian
make some
always
content.
sounds aggressive?
It's only in your head.
Okay, very sad about the trade, but no emotions.
No emotions, exactly. You will come back tomorrow. Just copy trade me, and
Exactly.
if I succeed, everyone will succeed. If I fail,
No,
everyone
I
will
don't
fail.
copy trade.
I know. You use the logic. It's good.
If I don't see it, I don't take it.
Also, how's your inactivity? Are you good for this?
I took a break-even trade
Yesterday. Yeah. Okay. I remember.
I copy traded you.
Okay. We gotta figure out the economical situation going with AAPL before I hop off.
What?
My plans got canceled. My lawyer canceled on me, so I'm free to do whatever.
Uh-oh. Go something productive.
I think I'm gonna make
I'm
a
gonna go
trade
make
breakdown. Yes. Make content. Let's make content. All right.
Content, boom.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll make it. Okay. If someone uses my affiliate code, I will explain every single concept I used. How to anticipate breakaway gaps, the IFEG, the entry and everything. I need someone to use one of my, either my funded futures or take profit trader affiliate code, and I'll do it. I'll explain everything in the breakdown.
Okay, goodbye.
Alright, goodbye. Also, I'm gonna start the